divide 828 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down these 2 and it is 22. 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting, we get 0. So 828 divided by 3 is 276. So this much for today and thanks for watching.